How to add capture card on TikTok Live Studio. So hello guys, in this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily add a capture card on your TikTok Live Studio. So first thing first, just open up the TikTok Live Studio application and make sure you are currently logged into your account. And now what you need to do is just click on this sources section and just tap on this plus button to add sources. Just make sure you have enabled your camera section to actually make your visibility of your camera. So just tap on this capture card. Once you click on it, the plus icon, and as you can see, to use the enhance and effect features, you can add a camera from the camera source. So now just tap on this add button to successfully add the capture card. And before adding the source, finally you can just adjust this resolution, fps, and such video settings according to your device's settings. And you can also follow along with my screen over here. And once you do all of these settings over here, just tap on this add source, and just like that you should be successfully able to add a capture card on TikTok Live Studio. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.